What's up guys, I'm Melissa.
And I'm Taylor.
We're here at Crowfoot Hyundai to show you how to use your two-way remote starter.
Behind me I have a brand new 2019 Santa Fe that we've installed a Hyundai two-way remote start on. It's getting to that time of year where it's cold, no one wants to get into a cold car, and your engine doesn't like being cold. So when you use the remote starter, you're warming that engine up, getting that oil flowing so we don't prematurely wear the engine. Plus the cabin will be nice and warm for you. So the most important thing you're going to want to do is before you shut your vehicle off when you're done driving is to set the temperature to what you want it to be when you use the remote start. So let's crank that heat up, turn the front defroster on, shut the engine down. The Hyundai two-way remote start is probably one of the easiest systems to use. You just press it once to lock, press and hold till it beeps, release, car starts. It's set to run for 12 minutes, or you can get in at any time and drive away.
The weather is about to start getting cold again, so make sure you book in your vehicle to get a Hyundai remote start installed.
I'm Taylor with this week's Tailored Tip.
And I'm Alyssa. Crowfoot Hyundai. Passion moves us.